Welcome. I'm going to demonstrate installing BridgePoint. There's a how-to on the xtUML BridgePoint GitHub site, doc BridgePoint process, how to install BridgePoint. It explains a little bit about BridgePoint being open source on GitHub, running on the Eclipse platform. It explains the 3 different locations on your PC that information will be stored. It's important to read that. But then getting to the nitty-gritty, BridgePoint and Eclipse both require Java, and so if you don't have a proper version of Java, we need at least Java 11. And on Mac, I can install with Brew. It's kind of boring when it's already installed. And then the next step is download BridgePoint, and there's a nightly build page where there are periodically updated bleeding edge versions of BridgePoint. I'm going to download the version for Mac OS. You'll see it's about 280 megabytes, so it's not huge, but it's not small. The lion's share of that is Eclipse itself. Going back to the how-to, it explains now that we will unzip this into an xtUML, home xtUML folder on Unix, just probably in the root of your C drive xtUML folder on Windows. So I can unzip this directly from my downloads folder, and it will unzip in place. On Windows, we recommend 7-zip. The Windows native zip utility is a little weak. And now I'll have a BridgePoint folder here, and in Mac OS, there's an extra step that we have to do because of a signing feature in Mac OS, and so we clear out the signature bit from the app so that it'll run without appearing to be damaged. And now I can launch my app in Mac. It's down in this folder. I'll go ahead and launch that and show in the gives the 3 different platforms, how to launch it on the 3 different platforms, giving a path here. And so now BridgePoint is up, and it's going to ask me for a workspace. So I'm going to go into my home folder to the recommended spot, workspace, and create one called HOWTO, launch BridgePoint. And it'll give me a new workspace. It automatically puts me into this how-to. There's interesting things in the quick start, but what we want to see is how to find the version of your BridgePoint. The how-to outlines this. So you go to About BridgePoint from the Help menu, click on this green triangle here, and there's your version, and the build ID has the date and timestamp on it. Thank you very much.